Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you will be safe and sound. I am your science teacher with the summary of Science Zoom online lecture number 3 from unit number 1, the human body. In the first lecture, we discussed about the sense organs and their functions. The second lecture was about the human organ systems. I hope you have understood the basic concepts. Today's lecture is a bit different because I am not going to teach you any topic as the unit is over. Today I am going to tell you about some tips for improving your science skills and concepts, and also how to prepare the science units for homeworks, weekly and monthly tests, and the term examinations. Now in class 3 and onward, you will prepare a particular unit in such a way that you are ready for any type of questions and any type of objectives in the tests and also in the term examination. Today's lecture is a guideline in this regard. I'll tell you how to learn science. You are going to follow all the steps one by one. I'm going to tell you. Now let's start the procedure. The first thing you are going to do is to do the reading of a particular unit or a passage. Why reading is important? Reading is important because it improves your vocabulary. It improves your vocabulary. It improves your spellings, and also it will improve your concepts. Vocabulary means the words that are used in the particular unit, and the concepts are the main ideas that are present in a unit. So reading is very much important. Now I'll tell you how to apply this procedure stepwise. Open your books on page 6. The topic is the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, and lungs. Air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by this system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. Page 7. The nervous system. The brain and the nerves form the nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take messages to the brain. The excretory system. Through the excretory system, we are able to get rid of all the waste products of the body. The lungs get rid of the waste air, the kidneys get rid of the urine, and the skin gets rid of sweat. Now you are going to underline all the important words that are present in the particular passage, like the nose, windpipe, lungs, oxygen absorbed, brain, the nerves receive signals, take messages to the brain, waste products, waste air, urine, sweat. Now the next thing you are going to do is to write the meanings of all the words that you find difficult in a particular passage. You can write the meanings in the class. You can also write meanings which are given in the glossary at the back of your book, or at home you can use your own dictionary. This is a scientific dictionary. It's a very colorful, and it is for the students up to your age. You should buy a dictionary if you don't have it. Why writing meanings is very much essential? Because it will not only increase your vocabulary, but the concepts will be clear also. After writing the meanings, the next thing you are going to do is to make fill in the blanks of your own choice from a particular passage. For example, the passage I have read out for you, in this passage I have taken 2 blanks for you. Number 1, dash is absorbed into the body, oxygen. The skin gets rid of the dash, sweat, and you can make fill in the blanks like these as much as you can. You can also make true false from the given passage. True false, tick cross, correct incorrect. For example, these 2 statements I have taken from the given passage. Brain is not the part of the nervous system. I have used this word not, Actually, brain is the part of the nervous system, but after using this word not, this statement has become as a wrong statement. Cross. Oxygen is absorbed into the body. 100% correct. It's a correct statement. If I have written carbon dioxide over here, that carbon dioxide is absorbed into the body, it would have become a wrong statement. You can make true false from the given passage as well. Okay. Now you can make MCQs out of the given passage. What does the word MCQs means? Multiple choice question. In multiple choice question, a number of choices are given for a particular statement or a question. For example, in the dash, oxygen is absorbed into the kidney. We are talking about oxygen. Obviously, oxygen taking in is done by means of the lungs. So, lungs is the correct option. Kidneys get rid of the waste products. Brain is the control center. So, the correct option is lungs. Through the dash system, we are able to get rid of all the waste products. Now we are talking about the waste products. Waste products are removed from your body by the excretory system. So the correct option is excretory system, because respiratory system is concerned with the intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Nervous system is the system which controls all the functions of your body. So the correct option is excretory system. You can make as many as you can MCQs from the particular unit or a passage. Now the most important thing you are going to do in your units is making of question answers of your own from the given passage. For example, you can use the words who, what, when, where, how, why, etc. For example, I have taken this question from the excretory system, that what is the function of the lungs? The lungs get rid of the waste air. You can make questions like these. For example, what is the function of the kidneys? The kidneys get rid of the waste water or urine, you can call it. What is the function of the skin? The function of the skin is to remove the sweat. I am going to give you some more examples from the same unit, as question answers are very much important. For example, which organs make the nervous system? The brain and the nerves make the nervous system. Which organs make the excretory system? The kidneys, the lungs and the skin etc. make the excretory system. For example, which organs are involved in the respiration or the respiratory system? The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe and the lungs. For example, what is the function of the nerves? The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take messages to the brain. I hope you have learned all the basic scientific skills that must be applied in your day-to-day study, because it will improve your concepts and you will get good marks in your exams and tests, etc. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. Until then, Allah Hafiz.